you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Okay, now our first one, if A and B are different matrices satisfying A cube equal to B cube and A square B is equal to B square A. Okay, now we are given A cube is equal to B cube. A cube equal to B cube. Now here equation 1. Okay, second one, A square B is equal to B square A. Now equation 2. Okay, now equation 1 minus 2 implies A cube minus A square B is equal to B cube minus B square A. Okay, now A square common, A minus B. Now minus B square common, okay, minus B square common, A minus B. Minus B square A, minus of minus plus B cube, minus B square common. Okay, now A square into A minus B plus B square into A minus B equal to 0. Now A square plus B square into A minus B is equal to 0. A square plus B square into A minus B is equal to 0. Now taking det on both sides, det of A square plus B square into A minus B is equal to 0. Det of A square plus B square into A minus B is equal to 0. Okay, det of A square plus B square into det of A square plus B square, det of A minus B is equal to 0. Det of A plus B, A square plus B square equal to 0, det of A minus B is equal to 0. Therefore, det of A square plus B square comma det of A minus B is equal to 0 means at least one of det of A square plus B square or det of A minus B must be 0. Now fourth one is the correct one. Fourth one is next one. If A is involuntary matrix given by A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4, then the inverse of A by 2 will be. Now A is involuntary matrix means A square equal to I. Okay, since A is involuntary matrix, now A square equal to I. A square equal to now here A value given, find A square value. Now A square is equal to A into A. 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4 into 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4. Okay, multiply both. 0, 4, minus 3, 1. Okay, now 0, minus 3, plus 3. Now here 0. Okay, 0, plus 4, minus 4, 0. Okay, now 4 into 0, 0, minus 12, plus 12, and here also 0. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to I. Therefore, A is involuntary matrix means A square equal to I. Okay, now here A square can be right now A into A. Now here A square can be right now A into A is equal to I. Now both sides multiply with A inverse. Okay, now A inverse into A is equal to now A inverse into I. Now A is invertible matrix. We know that A inverse into A is equal to I. Okay, now I into A is equal to A inverse into I, A inverse. Therefore, A is equal to A inverse. I into A is equal to A, therefore A is equal to A inverse. Now, A by 2, inverse of A by 2 will be, okay, now 1 by 2 into A inverse, 1 by 2 into A inverse. We know that Ka whole inverse is equal to Ka whole inverse is equal to 1 by K into A inverse. 1 by K into A inverse. Now here 1 by K, 1 by 2 into A inverse can be right now 2A whole inverse. 2A whole inverse. Now 2A whole inverse means 2 into A inverse. Now 2 into A inverse. Now A inverse is equal to A is equal to 2A. Therefore, the inverse of A by 2 will be is equal to 2A. Option 1 is the correct one. Next one, if AK equal to K minus 1, K minus 1, K, then det of A1 plus A2 plus det of A2 plus up to so on, det of A2020 is equal to. Okay, now find first det of AK. Det of AK is equal to det of K minus 1, K minus 1, K. Okay, now K square minus K minus 1 whole square. K square minus K minus 1 whole square. Now K square minus K square plus 1 minus 2K. Okay, now K square cancel, 2K minus 1. Det of AK value 2K minus 1. Now det of now here det of AK value 2K minus 1. Now A1 plus A2 plus up to so on A2020 sigma K value 1 to 2020 1 to 2020 2K minus 1 2K minus 1. Okay, now K value 1. Now det of A1 plus det of A2 plus up to so on det of A2020 value sigma K is equal to 1 to 20 2K minus 1 2K minus 1. Now here AK value 2K minus 1. Now this value is det of sigma 2K minus 1 equal to K square sigma 2K minus 1 is equal to 2 into sigma K minus sigma 1. Okay, now 2 into sigma n. Sigma n means now K into K plus 1 by 2 minus K sigma 1 K. To do cancel. Now K square plus K minus K cancel. That value is equal to K square. Okay, Now here total value is equal to 2020 whole square. 2020 whole square. Therefore, now option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one.